everybody, and welcome to Prim's Scratch tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a drum game in Scratch Part 3 tutorial. Now, I didn't have very much time to just tell you how to switch into brush and make some stem, but I'm going to show you how to make this very cool done button. Now, before we get started, please subscribe to this channel for more fun Scratch tutorial. Let's get started. So, we're going to change this code in the paint sprite and in the eraser sprite. So, everyone code will be when this sprite click it. We will change this to forever if mouse down, then boss cat pink. It will work the same. Now assemble this right here. And now also drag this inside this eraser sprite. So put it right here. And you can delete this when the sprite click it. Okay, now every code will be like this. But we will boss cat white in the eraser sprite. It will work actually the same. Look. Now, let's go to pens. Okay, everybody, so let's go to the pen sprite. And we're going to make a done button. But first, you need to delete this set pen color to black. Because if you want the black color, you can actually go ahead and duplicate it and change the color to black. And boss has a new message called black. Now you get a black. But for this tutorial, I will stick to something very simple. Let's paint a new sprite. And we'll call this sprite done. So, we're going to paint a square. You can now choose any color and any shape, anything. I will choose something pretty simple like this. And then select this the T item. Now, you can text on it. Let's text on it, done. And put it on the middle too. Let it snap in. Okay. Now when you got the done button, you will drag all of this and then select group. Okay, now you group it all. Let's go back to our code. When flag click it, we're going to go to block. And sorry about some noise. Now, let's go to this position. And make a new block. We'll call this click. Do not tick run without screen refresh and then tick OK. Now go ahead and put this click right here in the forever loop. Now in the click block, we're going to put an if else. And in the if, we're going to put an if then. Now, if touching mouse pointer, then the second if then, we're going to put in mouse down block. Wait, where is my mouse down? Oh, it's right here. Now, let's do this. If it's touching mouse pointer, I will set size to 120 will be enough. And please put set size 200 on the when flag click it. So it's reset. Now, leave the mouse down blank for now. And let's put set size 200 in the out. Now, let's see. Yay, look! Now you got a very cool done button. But what is in the mouse down? Well, let's drag out high block, show block and set size block. In the first one, in the when flag click, we're going to put in show. And in the define click, we're going to put in high in the mouse down, and also set size 200 before hide. Now, boss cat a new message. Let's put boss cat up the set size 200. And let's boss cat done, because we're done. Now, when we boss cat done, we also want to put in set size 200 first. So sorry about that. Now, what we'll do if we boss cat done? Well, go to pen. When I receive done, we will hide and put that in the paint sprite and then eraser sprite too. Now drag out that show block and put it on the when flag click it. This when flag click it. The when flag click it, the half where we go to mouse pointer. Now let's go to this one, the paint, and then when flag click it, show. Now in the sprite, when flag click it, show too. Now let's try this out. Everything will work the same. But if we click done, look! Anyways, the erasers still show. Let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't put in. So I just, the one that I dragged in didn't go to this sprite. So I need to drag this in. Okay, now everything should work perfectly fine. The next thing we're going to do is stop all. So we'll put in a stop all block. So we'll stop everything in this project. In the dawn sprite, right here. Now, let's run this project and see what happens if we click done. Wow, everything stopped. And if we draw something and then click done, look, it's still there, right there. Very great, but we need to hide the variable size too. So let's get when flag click it, show variable size. And when I receive done right here, we're going to hide the variable size. Oh, sorry, define click right here, hide the variable size. Now let's try this. If I click done, everything will hide. This is the end of this tutorial. Please follow Prim Club in Scratch. You can go to my profile in Scratch and look at my mini project. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!